Today, we're going to demystify the art of searching in Basecamp. It's more powerful than you might realize, offering several avenues to get you to your information quickly and efficiently. Whether you're looking for a specific message, a file, a to-do, or even just a mention of a particular topic, Basecamp has a search function designed to help. We'll cover everything from the universal search bar to project-specific filtering, and even some advanced tips and tricks that will turn you into a Basecamp search ninja. Think about it. How much time do you currently spend scrolling, clicking, and generally hunting for information in your project management tool? If that number is anything more than a few seconds, you're losing valuable time that could be spent on actual work. Master the search function, and you'll not only boost your productivity but also reduce frustration and ensure you're always on top of your projects. So, let's dive in and unlock the full potential of Basecamp's search capabilities. Our journey begins with the most prominent and often used feature, the global search bar. You'll find this at the very top of your Basecamp interface, usually represented by a magnifying glass icon or a search field. This is your first line of defense when you're not entirely sure where something is located. Think of it as Google for your Basecamp account. You can type in keywords, names, dates, or even phrases, and Basecamp will scour all your projects, discussions, files, to-dos, and more to bring you relevant results. Let's say you remember a conversation about a new marketing strategy, but can't recall which project it was in. You'd simply type "new marketing strategy" into the global search bar, hit enter, and Basecamp would present you with a list of all items containing those keywords. The results are usually categorized by type, messages, files, to-dos, etc., making it easy to narrow down your focus. This is incredibly useful when you're working across multiple projects and information might be spread out. Now, while the global search is powerful, sometimes you know exactly which project the information resides in. In these cases, using project-specific search is a far more efficient approach. Each project in Basecamp has its own dedicated search functionality. When you're inside a specific project, you'll notice a search bar or magnifying glass icon within that project's interface. Why use project-specific search when you have global search? Because it dramatically reduces the scope of the search, leading to faster results and a more focused set of outcomes. If you're looking for a specific file within the website redesign project, searching within that project will eliminate all results from other projects, making it much easier to find what you're looking for. This is particularly helpful in large organizations with many ongoing projects. Beyond simple keyword searches, Basecamp offers filtering options that can significantly refine your results. These filters vary depending on whether you're using global or project-specific search, but they generally allow you to narrow down your search by type of content. Are you looking for a message, a file, a to-do, a comment, or a document? You can often select specific content types to filter your results. This is invaluable when you know you're looking for a file, for example, and don't want to wade through dozens of messages. Who posted it? If you remember who shared the information, you can often filter by the person who created or posted the item. This is fantastic when you're trying to track down something a specific team member mentioned. Date range. Did you discuss something last week? Or maybe in the last month? Filtering by a date range can quickly narrow down the results, especially in long-running projects. Status. For to-dos, when searching for to-dos, you can often filter by their status, open, completed, or even assigned to a specific person. This is perfect for checking progress or finding outstanding tasks. Let's illustrate with an example. Imagine you're in the Q3 marketing campaign project, and you're looking for a specific image file that Sarah uploaded sometime last month. Instead of scrolling through all the files, you would go to the project's search bar, type in a keyword like banner, then apply filters for files, uploaded by Sarah, and a last month date range. This highly targeted approach will bring you to that image in seconds. Now for some advanced tips and tricks that will truly elevate your Basecamp search game. Firstly, use quotation marks for exact phrases. If you're looking for the exact phrase, client feedback meeting notes, enclose it in quotation marks, client feedback meeting notes. This tells Basecamp to only return results that contain that precise sequence of words, ignoring individual words within other contexts. This is incredibly useful for finding specific document titles or precise conversation points. Secondly, leverage Boolean operators. While Basecamp search isn't as robust as a full-fledged database query language, you can often use basic operators like and, or, and not, though not is less commonly supported directly in the UI and might require some testing. For example, searching for budget and proposal might return results containing both words, while design or concept would return results containing either word. Experiment with these to see how your Basecamp instance handles them. Thirdly, be specific with your keywords. The more precise your keywords, the better your results will be. Instead of just report, try monthly sales report Q2. Think about the unique words or phrases that would be present in the item you're looking for. Fourth, consider common misspellings or alternative phrasing. If you're having trouble finding something, think about how it might have been phrased differently or if there's a common typo. Sometimes broadening your keywords slightly can help. Fifth, utilize the Everything view in Basecamp. This view, often accessible from your home screen, provides a chronological feed of all activity across all your projects. While not a direct search function, you can often use your browser's Find, Ctrl+F or CMD+F functionality on this page to quickly locate keywords within the displayed content. This is a quick hack for broad, real-time scanning. Finally, don't forget about specific sections within a project. Within each project, sections like Messages, To-Dos, Docs and Files, and Schedules often have their own internal search or filtering options. If you know you're looking for a message, go directly to the Messages section of a project and use its search bar there. This is a very focused approach that can save time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.